Welcome to FIRGELLI Automations. Today we are looking at the two-link planar forward kinematics solver calculator. This tool helps you determine the exact position of a two-link robotic arm's end effector. Forward kinematics calculates where your robot arm's endpoint will be based on known link lengths and joint angles. The calculator uses trigonometric formulas where the x-coordinate equals L1 times cosine of theta 1 plus L2 times cosine of theta 1 plus theta 2. The y-coordinate follows the same pattern using sine functions. Simply enter your first link length L1, second link length L2, and both joint angles in degrees. The calculator instantly computes the end effector x and y position and displays an interactive diagram showing your arm configuration. This is invaluable for designing robotic arms, determining workspace boundaries, and validating motion paths. Find this and all 327 engineering calculators on our website. Start designing your robotic systems today.